I'm documenting my whole journey of Jetson Orin Nano setup, and this is about the day 2 where I thought to do the flashing from the SDK Manager, and the day 1 I was already prepared with the Ubuntu setup and all the USBs were ready to connect the Jetson for flashing. And what I searched from the terminal was how do you download the SDK Manager. I somehow downloaded it. I guess it was from the Google or from the terminal, and everything was going very well. But when I opened the SDK Manager, it also got, I could see the icon of it, but when I went to the show application, I clicked on the icon. It was opening for a fraction of seconds and it closed. And after this, I searched everywhere, and it told me that for the SDK Manager, the whole environment setup should be proper. Actually, I was getting some GUI error, and it would actually take lots of time to solve that problem. So then I thought that this SDK Manager method won't be working very properly for my setup. Then somehow I searched for 5 continuous hours, and then I got to know this CLI flashing method. Actually, when I was searching for the SDK Manager, they told me that you should do it from the SD card, but when I searched about the CLI flashing, they never, the place where I searched, there was no mention of SD card. So I thought of buying the NVMe, but then again I searched and somehow got a full proper information that the SD card can be used for the CLI flashing. But there was some USBs that needs to be there for the CLI flashing. Then I bought the USB. I also bought some other cables, like Ethernet cable, because I thought it might cause a problem if the card not there. Then I started preparing for the CLI flashing. It was such a mess. I didn't know what USB A and USB C I had to go in Jetson and in my Ubuntu laptop, because the laptop I was using, it was a very old laptop and it didn't have the ports in where I could plug the USB cables. And Jetson was also was a very fragile thing I ever had, because when I had finished my class 12th, I never even heard of a device like Jetson or what is NVIDIA and all. But I also didn't wanted to force and say Jetson if the USB weren't going to fit, and it actually took one whole day to get the proper USB. And so now you know what error I was facing with the SDK Manager. I was actually very demotivated at this point of time, because I thought that finally I would be able to flash properly, but even after downloading the SDK Manager, it was giving this GUI error. And I also searched how you could solve these errors, and all. It told me that there are many things that has to be properly set up. I don't know what, I didn't search it after that. And after that, I got to know about the CLI flashing. I kept all of my focus on CLI flashing, and so I expected that when I flash with the CLI, my flashing would be successful. But so about all those things, I'll cover it in the next video about in the day 3. So now you know about the errors that I was facing with the SDK Manager, and now I'll tell what happened in the day 3 in the next video. Thank you. I'm documenting my journey of Jetson Orin Nano, and this is literally my 7th time I'm recording this video before I connected all the videos. So this is what happened. I have the laptop and I have all the lines, the starting ones, and I forgot about a few of the lines, and I paused the video, and sometimes I laugh in between, then I have to pause it again, and this is the final video of after 10th or 15th time. Thank you. So when I said the starting lines I'm reading, it doesn't mean that the whole whole journey vlog. I'm reading it from the laptop. Only the starting 1 or 2 lines I read it from the laptop. Okay, bye bye.